Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and Maps is open. Now remove the home label. On mobile, tap Saved then Labeled. On desktop, click Menu Your Places labeled. Once done, locate Home in the list and prepare to edit or remove it. Make sure you're editing the same account that holds the label, otherwise the change won't apply. This first action targets the label itself, which is separate from addresses in your Google account, so focus on the labeled entry for home. Once you open the home entry, choose Remove Label to delete it outright. If Edit is more appropriate, clear the address field and save. On Android and iOS, the three-dot menu reveals Remove Label. On desktop, click Remove or Edit next to the saved place. Make sure you save changes and wait a few seconds for sync. If you want to keep the address without the home label, edit and then save it as a generic saved place instead. This prevents relabeling by sync. After removing the label, refresh Maps and reopen your places to confirm home is gone, then test by searching home in the app. If it still appears, clear the app cache or browser cache, sign out and sign in and force a sync. This resolves stale data. As a last step, check your Google account addresses, personal info contact info addresses, and delete any home entry there. If those steps fail, restart the device and repeat removal to ensure all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.